Deep in the unforgiving heart of Siberia, an engineering titan was designed to conquer nature itself. This is the Sayano-Shushenskaya Dam, a structure so massive it rewrites the rules of extreme engineering. Holding back a reservoir larger than many American lakes, its failure would unleash an apocalyptic flood. In 1960, the audacious decision was made to harness the raging Yenisei River.
Surveyors faced temperatures of -30 degrees, mapping a canyon of pure granite.
Engineers chose an arch-gravity design, 60% stabilized by pure mass, 40% by its arched curve. Before concrete could be poured, the relentless Siberian wilderness had to be tamed. April 1963. The silence of the canyon is broken. Construction officially begins. Millions of tons of solid granite were blasted away to anchor the beast into the bedrock. Deep anchors were driven into the stone, ensuring the foundation would not slip under unimaginable pressure.
An army of hardened men descended upon the river, working around the clock.
To build the dam, they first had to move the river, a seemingly impossible task.
In October 1975, the battle to divert the Yenisei reached its climax.
A massive cofferdam was constructed, choking off the river's natural path.
The river surrendered. The construction site was pumped dry.
With the riverbed exposed, the real work on the Titan's foundation could begin. A skeleton of heavy steel was woven to reinforce the base.
This steel reinforcement was designed to withstand earthquakes up to an 8 on the Richter scale.
Then began the pouring of 24 million tons of concrete. Enough concrete was used to build a highway stretching across the entire United States. Every cubic yard had to be perfect. A single air pocket could cause a catastrophic fracture. Layer by layer, the monolith rose from the earth over the course of a decade. But concrete generates extreme heat as it cures. In Siberian cold, this temperature clash is deadly. Engineers embedded a massive network of cooling pipes directly into the concrete blocks. River water was pumped through the heart of the dam to prevent it from cracking itself apart. Work never stopped, not even when the brutal Siberian winter tried to freeze the machines. The arch shape forced the incredible pressure of the water outward, directly into the canyon walls. The granite mountains themselves became part of the machine, holding the structure together. To harness the water's power, massive steel arteries called penstocks were installed. These massive pipes would funnel the river's fury directly into the heart of the power plant. Water would drop hundreds of feet, accelerating to terrifying speeds before hitting the turbines. At the bottom lay the beasts, 10 massive Francis hydro turbines. Each turbine weighed hundreds of tons and had to be aligned to the millimeter. Each unit was designed to generate a staggering 640 megawatts of power. The turbine hall was an absolute marvel, housing the heartbeat of Russia's industrial might. With the structure complete, the river was allowed to return, filling the towering reservoir. December 1978. The moment of truth arrived. The first turbine went online. Millions of gallons of water slammed into the blades,
rotating the massive generators. Raw kinetic energy was transformed into a massive surge of electricity. Power flowed out into the grid, fueling massive aluminum smelters across the region. By 1985, the plant was fully operational, a true, undisputed engineering triumph. But extreme water pressure is relentless. Minor stress fractures began to appear. In the late 80s, teams executed daring repairs to reinforce the massive structure. Structural reinforcements were made to ensure the dam could handle the immense, shifting loads. For decades, it stood as a symbol of unyielding power. But nature is always watching. Deep inside the machine room, invisible forces were beginning to tear at the seams. Turbines endure immense hydraulic strain, requiring constant, flawless maintenance. August 2009. The instruments detected severe, abnormal vibrations in turbine number 2. Years of microscopic metal fatigue had fatally compromised the steel bolts holding the turbine cover. Workers on the floor felt the concrete shake beneath their boots. Something was terribly wrong. Turbine 2 exploded upward. A catastrophic breach unleashed the full pressure of the river into the room. The sheer force of the water tossed the 900-ton rotor like a toy. In seconds, the machine room was violently flooded, plunging the massive facility into darkness. 74 lives were tragically lost in the devastating surge. Emergency bulkheads were desperately dropped to choke off the devastating flow. The aftermath revealed unprecedented destruction. The heart of the giant had been ripped out. Assessment teams waded through the wreckage to calculate the impossible cost. Every single turbine had to be inspected. The facility was completely shut down. Russia vowed to rebuild, to make it stronger, safer, and entirely modernized. Millions of gallons of water were pumped out of the subterranean levels. The mangled steel was ripped out. A massive cleanup operation commenced. Engineers designed entirely new, ultra-reinforced turbines to replace the damaged fleet. Installation required extreme precision, guided by modern laser technology. Every new bolt was equipped with real-time digital stress sensors to prevent future failures. Delivering the new parts across Siberia was an extreme logistical nightmare. Battling ice and treacherous passes, the convoys delivered the heart of the new station. The facility was physically rebuilt from the ground up, stronger than ever before. A state-of-the-art digital control center was installed, monitoring every millimeter of the dam. By 2014, the reconstruction was completely finished. The giant was ready to wake again. The new turbines spun flawlessly, returning the plant to its full operational capacity.
The Sayano-Shushenskaya Dam stands today as a testament to human resilience.
A structure born from the Cold War era, surviving catastrophe, and reborn in the modern age. It continues to hold back 30 million tons of water, safely supplying power to millions.
The men who built and rebuilt it conquered the impossible.
An incredible balance of raw industrial might and the wild force of nature.
When the reservoir fills, the spillways roar to life, unleashing a controlled torrent. A single facility, driving the economic engine of entire regions. It remains one of the tallest, most powerful, and most dangerous structures on Earth. Its arch-gravity design proved its worth, surviving the ultimate tests of time and disaster. A monument to engineering that pushes the absolute limits of physics. Harnessing fluid dynamics on a scale rarely seen anywhere else on the planet.
Even in the darkest Siberian night, the Titan generates continuous, unstoppable power.
The unique cold-cured concrete makes it one of the densest barriers ever constructed,
exporting raw energy to the world's most massive industrial smelters. Today, rigorous maintenance protocols ensure the tragedy of 2009 is never repeated.
Seismic anchors constantly absorb and dissipate the natural movements of the Earth. A base over 100 meters thick, tapering perfectly to hold the ultimate weight.
Standing firm against thousands of tons of crushing ice every single winter.
Internal heating systems repurpose generator warmth to defend against the freeze.
It tamed the wild Yenisei, turning a chaotic force into a steady, reliable resource.
All 10 arteries flowing in perfect, harmonized unison. A true marvel of civil engineering, standing tall against the harshest elements.
The work of defending the dam is endless, carried on by a new generation of steelworkers. It ranks among the undisputed heavyweights of global infrastructure. Below the surface, an invisible mountain of concrete guards the valley below.
Heavy machinery remains on standby, ready to handle any extreme scenario. A concrete fortress, shrouded in the mists of the Siberian wilderness.
Incredible tension systems hold the massive spillway gates against the crushing tide. Spanning over a kilometer wide, it connects the canyon walls with unbreakable force. The reservoir holds enough water to cover entire cities under hundreds of feet of water. Yet, the destructive power is funneled into perfect, balanced rotation. The raw kinetic energy creates a microclimate of mist and roaring thunder. The electrical yards step up the voltage for massive cross-country transmission.
Millions of volts surging out to fuel modern industry. A colossal achievement of human ambition and raw physical labor. Built with blood, sweat, and an unbreakable will.
Designed to stand for centuries, an enduring legacy of extreme engineering. Scarred by time and tragedy, but ultimately unyielding. A silent guardian, working tirelessly through the dark. The ultimate fusion of earth, metal, and water. A constant reminder of the staggering forces we seek to control. The highest, most dangerous, and most incredible Titan of the East. This is the Sayano-Shushenskaya Dam, an absolute masterpiece of extreme engineering.